Hi everyone, welcome to the Handmade Cars channel. In this video, I'm gonna smash this Ford Crown Cop Victory, which is made from plasticine. The bottom and the base of the car, as well as the wheels, were made of hard sculptural plasticine. And the whole car body was made of ordinary colored modeling clay, of the black and white colors. I made the plasticine car body parts very thin so that the car damage would look realistic. For fun, I made large 21-inch disc wheels, because using plasticine, you can make any kind of shape. I painted the wheels with silver paint. I think it looks pretty cool. I also made an engine. Let's take a look at it now. Under the hood, there is a 4.6-liter plasticine engine with a capacity of 223 horsepower. Also, in the police car, there is a laptop with a database. So I decided to put a YouTube logo. Every bit counts, so to speak. This time, I've decided to do an unusual crash test. I've decided to make a springboard, and the remote control car will fly up and then will land on this Ford. In the end, I managed to hit the Ford on the fourth try. And even then, the impact was so weak that only the front wing has been damaged. Only a little dent on the car body has appeared, but I still want to land it on the roof. Let's give it a try again. It turned out to be quite good. It bent the roof, also the hood has a little bent, and the Ford has sagged down a little upon impact. Although it hasn't bent a lot, now I'll try to land on the roof again. Meanwhile, I'll move the Ford closer a bit. It pulls the car to the right. It would bend the roof even more if there was a driver in the car, but he'd feel pretty cramped to sit there. Well, I can't land exactly on the roof. It's constantly pulling the car to the side. Should I drop it again? Or that's enough? Alright, let's drop it again. And let's see what happens. It turned out to be great this time. The hood is already bent down. What's wrong with the engine? At first glance, it looks intact. That's all in place. Just the hood has got bent, and that's it. How can we see through the window, the laptop, with YouTube turned on? The damage shows that the front part of the roof is bent in, and that's it. I'll fix the roof, and we're gonna crash into this Ford. The collision occurred to the front wheel. From above, you can see that the part of the car body has become a bit smooth and flat. So in general, there's nothing critical. Now, I'm gonna crash into the front of the car. Well, this time it worked out well. The hood bent a little. The front bumper and the left wing also got damaged. Under the hood, you can see that the radiator has already touched the engine itself. But in general, it turned out well. The back has got more bent. That's what it looks like from plasticine. It turned out to be a good collision. Now I'm thinking of dropping this forward from a height to break it even more. Since the plasticine is already soft and the body is quite thin, it should get bent better. It has landed quite hard. The main blow has been taken by the rear bumper, and then the body has got bent. Even the trunk and hood have flown away. The bottom of the car has been also damaged. The gas tank clampered the rear axle. It has fallen down at an angle. Well, it turned out to be powerful. Now, I'm gonna drop it to the front side. That's the kind of damage that happened after the fall. Everything looks quite serious here. The front part has got completely bent. It's become flat. The car has fallen at an angle, causing uneven damage. From above, you can see how much the body has got bent. So what about the engine? That's how it may be taken off. It got clamped a lot. Various parts are quite tightly located. All the wires have come off. I'll drop it again, with force. It's fallen very hard. The dashboard has gone into the cabin. It got right to the seats. The front bumper has already completely lost its shape and has become flat, and the wheel is also very squeezed. And how it looks from the outside, it turned out to be pretty realistic. Now I'll drop it on the back, also using force in order to break it even more. Wow, it has crashed a lot. It was completely broken. Everything has got bent and crashed a lot. On this side, it still looks okay, but on the other, everything is broken. Well, it crashed a lot. It's the trunk that flew off. In general, this is what came out of it. I think it turned out to be quite realistic. The body has got warped as it was supposed to. I personally really enjoyed breaking it. It turned out to be really epic. The car is just falling apart. The roof is already about to fall off. I hope you enjoyed this video how I crashed this Ford Cop. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of videos like this one. So in order to help you understand how I made it, I'll show you a few photos of its modeling, step by step. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone!